We are at a place called Callaway North. You can see it right here behind me. It's a new construction neighborhood. There's about 5 homes available in here right now, I think. And listen, the whole thing with us doing these new constructions is the fact that interest rates are really high right now. They're probably closer to 8%. But these new builders are actually offering incentives to where you can get the rate as low as 5.5% with a minimal amount of money down. It's unbelievable what they offer. So we're going to take you through the model home today, just walk you through and show you what you get with all this this entire neighborhood. We are about 2 miles up Fort Morgan Road, so we're about 2 miles from the heart of everything in Gulf Shores. You've got the beaches, you've got the lagoon right across the way, you've got miles upon miles of walking trails through here. You won't believe it. I'm standing on one of them now. You can see right here behind me. It's a walking and biking trail. So if you're a nature lover, this is the area for you. So anyway, we're going to walk you through the model home today and tell you what all you get. So let's get to it.
Hey, welcome to the Camden floor plan. This is one of my favorite floor plans and you're about to see why. So come right in. This is the furnished model home here. It's 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and up front you've got 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom right here, so we'll take you through those. A spacious bedroom here. Dual vanity, toilet and bath. Come into the next bedroom here. Nice half bathroom here. And then you've got a really nice laundry room here. Washer and dryer, but then you have all this storage. You wanted a secondary fridge, a deep freezer, place to hang clothes. So it's great to have here. And then still even more, this is the garage area here. So you've got a coat closet and then you've got this little nook here. I would turn this into a shoe area and utilize that space a little differently. Now this is the most unique feature about this house and it's probably the feature that I love the most. So come check this out. You have a secondary living area. You've got a mini kitchen. This is perfect for so many different family dynamics in today's modern world. And then this nice big bedroom. And so certainly this bedroom has its own private bathroom. A nice walk-in closet. So as you can see, a lot of space just in the first half of the house that we looked at. Now you come in and you've got a formal dining area. Beautiful living room and open kitchen. Plenty of area here in the kitchen and breakfast area as well in this one too. And then off the kitchen is the primary. So really nice size primary. I love the natural light with the 3 windows. Garden tub, standard tiled shower, double vanity, walk-in closet. Towel linen closet, private toilet. Out here. Alright guys, that's going to just about do it for today's video of the Camden floor plan. This floor plan is a very, very popular floor plan. It is in a number of communities throughout Baldwin County. It is, as you just saw, it's 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's just over 2,700 square feet. And the price will depend on location, upgrades, what subdivision it's in. As you could tell, there was no carpet, 3-car garage, some wonderful features, and then of course you saw that whole separate living area, bedroom, bathroom, that could work for so many different types of family dynamics. In today's world, we're all dealing with various different family dynamics. This is a great floor plan for so many different reasons. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about what it's like to actually live here. You know, the beach life. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, we hope to see you around town.